Adding a database column and a form element. Initially, there is no database column by the name city. We are going to add city in the form and as a database column. In the input folder, there is a My Form module folder. In that, there is a feature folder, all form elements. In that, there is a db.php file. We are going to add database column as city. We'll copy and paste the fname line and we'll change fname to city and Anil also to city. In the same all form elements folder, there is a add form array.php file and city is added as a database column and as a form element. So now we are going to add the form element as city. We'll copy the fname part paste it immediately after fname. Now we'll change the fname to city. We'll change the label name from name to city. Element name also from name to city. Element attribute id from fname to city. And as city is required in the comment section. Now we upload it in the ACG and city is added.